Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, dear viewers, dependent on your present meridian. Welcome back to Journey to Triumph, where we explore the secrets to financial success. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit and how the wealthy use it as a powerful tool, not only to maintain their wealth, but also keep it growing. So, whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your credit game, this video is packed with valuable insights. Let's uncover the 9 ways the wealthy use credit to stay wealthy. Number 1. Strategic use of credit cards. Our first point revolves around the strategic use of credit cards. The wealthy understand that not all credit cards are created equally. They meticulously select cards with rewards programs that precisely align with their spending habits. Whether it's cashback, travel rewards, or other perks, they leverage these cards to maximize benefits whilst maintaining reasonable usage. This strategic approach to credit cards goes beyond merely using them for everyday purchases. The wealthy scrutinize the terms and conditions, seeking cards that offer the most value for their lifestyle. They pay off their balances in full each month to avoid exorbitant interest charges, ensuring that the rewards that they earn are a net gain for their finances. In essence, credit cards become a finely tuned tool for earning whilst spending, which significantly contributes to their overall wealth. Number 2. Low interest financing. Next, let's delve into the world of low-interest financing. The wealthy comprehend that credit can be an astute way to finance substantial purchases without burdening themselves with high-interest debt. They opt for low-interest loans when acquiring significant assets like real estate or expanding their business. This financial maneuver allows them to preserve their cash flow and invest in opportunities that promise higher returns. Consider, for instance, the purchase of investment property. Instead of tying up a substantial portion of their liquid assets, the wealthy secure a mortgage with favorable terms. This strategic move allows them to leverage their credit effectively, enabling their money to work in multiple places simultaneously. The outcome? Augmented wealth through diversified investments and a judicious use of credit. Number 3. Debt consolidation. Debt consolidation takes center stage in our third point. Rather than juggling multiple high-interest debts, the wealthy employ credit to consolidate their obligations into a single, lower-interest loan. This streamlined approach simplifies their financial life and significantly diminishes the overall cost of borrowing. Picture someone grappling with credit card debt, a car loan, and a personal loan, each carrying its interest rate. By securing a consolidation loan with a lower interest rate, they not only simplify their payments, but also reduce the total interest paid over the life of the debt. This astute move saves them money, which can be reallocated towards wealth-building endeavors. Number 4. Leveraging credit for investments. One of the most influential ways the wealthy use credit is by leveraging it for investments. They astutely understand that borrowing at a low interest rate to invest in assets with the potential for higher returns can be an intelligent move. This approach significantly amplifies their wealth-building efforts. Let's consider the stock market, for example. The wealthy may utilize a margin account to borrow funds and invest in stocks. If their investments yield returns that surpass the cost of borrowing, they profit from the spread. This strategic approach, known as leverage, magnifies their investment gains. However, it's paramount to understand that leveraging also entails risks, and the wealthy are meticulous in their risk management to safeguard their wealth. Number 5. Secured lines of credit. Secured lines of credit take the spotlight in our 5th point. By using their assets as collateral, the wealthy secure credit lines with highly favorable terms. This strategy furnishes them with swift access to funds when opportunities arise, without the need for protracted approval processes. Imagine someone who owns valuable real estate or holds a substantial investment portfolio. They can utilize these assets as collateral to secure a line of credit. This line of credit operates as a financial safety net, readily available for investment opportunities or unforeseen financial challenges. It's an exceedingly flexible tool that grants them financial agility and empowers them to seize wealth-building opportunities as they arise. Number 6. Maintaining excellent credit scores. Our 6th point underscores the critical importance of maintaining an excellent credit score, a non-negotiable aspect of financial strategy for the wealthy. They comprehend that a high credit score flings open doors to superior borrowing terms and a myriad of financial opportunities. Therefore, they meticulously manage their credit score to ensure it remains in impeccable condition. Achieving and sustaining an excellent credit score entails judicious credit management. The wealthy are punctilious about paying their bills on time, keeping their credit utilization strikingly low, and steering clear of unnecessary credit inquiries. This resolute commitment to credit health guarantees that when they require credit for investments or other financial prospects, they are privy to the most advantageous terms available. It's a proactive approach to retaining financial flexibility and preserving their wealth over time. Number 7. Avoiding high interest debt. It's not just about the judicious use of credit. It's also about what the wealthy deliberately avoid. They steer clear of high interest debt, such as credit card balances that carry hefty interest rates. They prioritize paying off these debts expeditiously to prevent interest costs from gnawing away at their wealth. High interest debt, such as lingering credit card balances, can be a substantial drain on financial resources. The wealthy grasp that carrying such debt can gradually erode their wealth. Consequently, they make a paramount goal to eliminate high-interest debt post-haste. By doing so, they liberate more of their income for wealth-building endeavors and curtail the financial burden on their path to financial triumph. Number 8. Using credit for tax benefits. Another sagacious move is the utilization of credit for tax benefits. The wealthy acknowledge that certain types of credit, such as mortgage loans, offer tax deductions. Therefore, they meticulously structure their borrowing to maximize these tax advantages, channeling more money back into their financial coffers. Let's contemplate someone who owns a home with a mortgage. Mortgage interest payments are often tax deductible, effectively reducing taxable income. The wealthy may employ this strategic use of mortgage credit to maximize their tax deductions, thereby diminishing their tax liability. This strategic approach enables them to retain a more substantial portion of their hard-earned wealth, which can then be redirected towards investments or other wealth-building strategies. Number 9. Emergency funds and peace of mind. Lastly, the 9th point emphasizes the astute recognition by the wealthy that credit can also serve as an emergency fund and a wellspring of peace of mind. Whilst they maintain liquid assets, they also ensure access to credit in case of unexpected expenses or investment opportunities. This safety net empowers them to navigate financial challenges with confidence. The possession of an emergency fund is undoubtedly a financial cornerstone. But the wealthy take it a step further. They perceive credit as an additional layer of financial security. This approach ensures they are well prepared for unforeseen events, whether it's a sudden medical expense, a business opportunity too enticing to overlook, or market volatility. It provides them with an unassailable peace of mind, knowing that they can readily access funds when needed, without derailing their meticulously crafted long-term financial plans. In conclusion, credit is an extraordinarily potent tool that the wealthy wield with precision. They employ it strategically to amplify their wealth, finance astute investments, and uphold financial flexibility. The overarching lesson here is that credit isn't merely a means of spending. It's a veritable instrument of financial strategy. Whether you're at the inception of your wealth-building journey, or just looking to fine-tune your financial acumen, it's imperative to contemplate these 9 ways the wealthy use credit to stay wealthy. Remember, it's not merely about having credit. It's about employing it sagaciously. We appreciate you joining us today. If you found this video enlightening, kindly like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to receive more sagacious financial insights. Until our next encounter, I have been your host of Journey to Triumph, signing off.